Mau, sabi ko, secure the CCTV room, huwag niyong gagalawin. Pagdating ng mga polis, make sure you have 2 copies, isa sa kanila, isa sa amin, para hindi po matamper. Yun din po pinag-uusapan ng ibang senador sa loob ng room. So nung sinabi po ni Jinggoy na itago, ang ibig niya sabihin, make sure walang makakuha kung hindi po yung polis. At sinagot siya nun, kung tinuloy yung video na yon, may sumagot na nakasecure na po. As soon as Secretary Remulla came, the first thing he did was kamustahin kung okay kami, kung secured yung mga senador. Then tinanong yung CCTV and then nagpaalam kung pwede i-sweep floor by floor at pumasok yung iba pang pulis. Technically, I could have said it was under Senate jurisdiction. But he gave me his word and he followed his word that this will be a investigation that is independent. So dalawa po, joint investigation to. Lahat po ng CCTV agad binigay. Pangalawa po, lahat ng crime scene hindi po namin tinago. In fact, sa GSIS hindi kami makapasok, pulis lang. Kaya bago umuwi si Secretary Remulla at si Chief PNP Nartates, hiningi ko na makapasok din po. Kasi nung una, inilalabas ang narrative ng iba na wala daw putok from the other side. Nung una, isa pa lang ang nakitang putok o bala na tumagos galing sa kabilang side. Pero nung pinayagan kami sa loob at nung pagkatapos po na inusisa ng mabuti ng PNP, nakita po na may at least 5. So what am I saying here? This is the results of the independent investigation so far. The President, and I thank him for calling, checking how we are, and assuring us that he told everyone to stand down, the military, the PNP, and the NBI. But I told him, sir, the NBI has been lying to us. Sabi niya, hindi, susunod sa kanya yung NBI. Sabi ko, sir, with all due respect, nandito naman si Sec John Vic, siya na mag-report sa'yo. So, dun sa mga nagsasabing this is staged or whatever, di ba, we allowed every single transparency measure, we allowed the investigation. In fact, pag-akyat namin ng 5th floor, kahit wala sa usapan, sabi po ni Secretary Remulla, ibaba ang mga armas ng USAA. I saw his wisdom para nga hindi magka-inkwentuhan, para hindi magkaroon ng miscommunication or hindi questionin ang intention ng bawat isa. Pinababa ko sa mga USAA yung mga armas. Sa 5th floor yon. We went to the 1st floor, nakita nyo naman yung press con. After the press con po, may nahuli na sinasabi niyang confidential assistant, confidential agent po siya. Confirm po yan at kinasuhan na po yan. At sinabi din po niya kung sino nag-utos sa kanya na taga-NBI. It is about this time na nagsimula pa lang mag-iba ng narrative ang NBI. Biglang umamin na nandun at biglang may sulat daw na ang GSIS ay nag-request ng security. Kailanman po, wala sa history ng GSIS na NBI ang kanilang tatawagin. Parati po yung pulis. Ang NBI po ay hindi taga-secure. And even assuming for the sake of argument, may usapan na po kami ni Director Matibag na in the building, around the building, kasi pinangako niya sa akin walang checkpoint sa labas ng NBI. Samantalang nakita namin po yung video, NBI, pinabubuksan po yung mga kotse ng senador. This was on Monday. So sunod-sunod po ang kasinungalingan po ni NBI Director. I believe he's lying to the President. That is my personal belief. I believe he is giving him false narratives. Kasama po nila si Senator Trillanes nung Monday. Senator Trillanes had no personality to do that, but he is in coordination with many. Let me express my sadness, my regret. First time po na ganito nangyari sa Senate. Usually po, nabangga lang, nauntog lang yung isang senador, nadapa. Nandiyan na yung 24 to see how you are. Usually po, may threat pa lang sa Senate, pupunta na dyan lahat to see how. But makita nyo naman po, parang bula na wala po yung buong minority. Pagkatapos, wala kaming narinig hanggang mga 10:30. Nung sinabi lang po, 9, 10, I don't know that time anymore. Nung sinabi lang ni Senator Camille that we're okay, doon lang nagparamdam yung iba. And then ngayon, sunod-sunod, galing sa minority, pinagbibintangan pa ang majority at ang Senado. Pinaligiran tayo ng NBI, naka-full tactical gear. When we defended ourselves sa Senado, sasabihin nyo pa, nakakalungkot at magulo ang Senado. Nakakalungkot po because never nangyari to sa institusyon ng Senado. Even po yung mga kapatid natin sa kaliwa, sa progressive group, nandyan po ako nung Batasan 5, hindi natin pinayagan na arestuhin kayo dyan sa loob. Kasama ko pa ho si Senator Lacson noon na binisita kayo. Binigay namin ang moral support. So alam nyo po anong ibig sabihin po ng courtesy ng wag mag-aaresto sa Batasang Pambansa or dito po sa Senado. Having said that po, there are different issues na sinagot ko na sa inyo. But I'm going live today because I heard the Ombudsman will do an independent investigation. That is good news. But I also heard that he issued a suspension against General Mao. Assuming for the sake of argument that it is a valid suspension and the reason is preventive suspension para hindi magulo yung investigation. Number one, there is a duty to inform us so that we can replace, so that we can make sure na safe ang Senado. Remember, the impeachment is going to start on Monday. So how can we secure and make sure matuloy at hindi na naman kami guluhin tapos kami na naman ang pagbibintangan? Number 2, bakit po, and I like to honor and express, di ba, that in my dealings with the Ombudsman, Boying Remulla, it has always been